Hello, I'm Big Al. We're out in a beautiful, slightly grey Forest of Dean today, and I want to show you how to set up tarp, a nice easy setup. I see lots of videos of guys trying to set up tarps and kind of sort of ridiculous knots around trees. I'm going to show you a really easy system to set up a tarp. First of all, I'm going to replace the guys on it with double the length. So what you do, if you're using a 8-foot line, you want to double that to 16 feet. So what I've done, I'm using some paracord here, and I want to find the middle. If you want to find the middle of where your line is, very simple, take your two ends and work your way up the whole way along. Run out any little gnarls or twists, and that gives you the middle of your line. And then what we're going to do, we're going to use a very simple knot, the overhand knot, and that's probably the first knot you ever use. It's the one that we use when we tie our shoelaces. So I'm going to tie an overhand knot along the line about every 6 inches. This takes a little bit of time. Obviously you can do this at home, you don't need to do this out in the woods, but I'm just going to do it to show you how easy. And you'll end up with a string full of little knots, and these knots are what's going to help you set up your tarp. Okay. So I've gone for about 20 feet in total. That should give me a nice 10-foot rig. If you want to do more, by all means do more. If you want to do less, do less. Almost there. I'd say 3 more should do it. 1, 2, 3. And that's your guy line set up. Now we have to attach it, which is pretty simple. You take the fine end, you put it through like so, go back, find the other end, and pull it through and attach it. That's called a lark's foot we're putting on there, and then just pull it up tight, make sure it's on. And the beauty of this, really quick, really easy to set up. So I've got here, got my 4 trees, and I want to set up very easy. You go across to where you want to set up, around the tree, keep it nice and tight. There you go, nice little spike there to help us. And you go along and you find where 2 knots are going to meet, and you pull that up through, and that knot holds that in position. Easy. Again, come across, nice and high. Find where 2 knots are going to be, so we're going to go here, and maybe a bit further. Open it, push it through, in. And we'll do the final one. Up. Again. I think maybe we go around that way would be better. And again, pull it nice and tight. See where the 2 knots meet. And pull through. And that will hold. And that's a really quick and easy way to set up a tarp in 5 minutes. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video.